Are you ready to change your financial life? Imagine waking up each day with a sense of control over your money, knowing you're making choices that could shape your future for years to come. It all starts with a single decision. Will you play the game of chance or the game of strategy? Which path will you choose for your financial journey? In the world of money, there are two games: the speculator's game, where fortunes can change in a heartbeat, and the investor's game, where wealth is built brick by brick over time. Most people don't realize the difference between these two, and that confusion can cost them dearly, both financially and emotionally. The trader's world is fast, stressful, and unforgiving. It's a place where every second counts, and a single mistake can wipe out weeks of gains. Traders try to time the market, reacting to every headline, every rumor, every blip on the screen. They chase quick wins, always on edge, always one step away from disaster. The odds, they're stacked against you. The market is unpredictable, and luck often plays a bigger role than skill. Even the professionals, with all their experience and resources, rarely win consistently. Losses are part of the game, and the emotional toll can be overwhelming. This isn't investing, it's gambling with your future, risking your hard-earned money on the hope of a lucky break. But there's another way: the investor's game. It's a path built on patience, discipline, and a long-term vision. The true investor doesn't just buy a ticker symbol, they buy a piece of a real business, with real value and real potential for growth. Investors focus on value, not noise. They tune out the daily drama and look for opportunities that others might miss. They let time and growth work in their favor, understanding that real wealth is built slowly. The investor's secret weapon? Patience, and the power of compounding. Investors plant seeds, small investments made consistently, and let them grow, nurturing them over the years. While traders chase butterflies, always looking for the next big thing, investors build forests, creating lasting wealth that stands the test of time. The investor's mindset is about building a legacy, focusing on long-term wealth instead of short-term thrills or fleeting excitement. Investors sleep well at night, confident that their money is working for them, not the other way around. They have a plan, and they stick to it, no matter what the market does, no matter how loud the noise gets. This isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset, the mindset of the wealthy, the patient, and the wise. And the best part? You can adopt this mindset, starting today. You don't need a finance degree or a Wall Street job, just the willingness to learn and the discipline to stay the course. So choose to be an investor, not a gambler. Build wealth that lasts, and create a future you can be proud of. The choice is yours, and it starts now. Which game will you play? The answer will define your financial destiny. There's a force so powerful, Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world: compound interest. It's a concept that has the potential to transform your financial future in ways you might not even imagine. Understand it, and you earn it. Ignore it, and you pay it. It's that simple. The difference between financial freedom and financial struggle often comes down to this one principle. Compounding is earning returns on your returns, a snowball that grows bigger with every turn. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, it picks up more snow and grows larger and larger. At first, growth is slow. Most people give up here. They get discouraged by the seemingly insignificant progress and abandon their plans. But if you stay the course, your wealth curve bends upward, fast. The magic of compounding starts to show its true power, and your investments begin to grow exponentially. Eventually, your money earns more than you do. That's financial independence. Imagine the freedom of knowing your investments are working harder than you are. Imagine investing $10,000 at 8% a year. In 30 years, without adding a penny, it could grow to over $100,000. That's the power of compounding working for you. Add a little each month, and the numbers get staggering. Consistent contributions amplify the effect, turning modest investments into substantial wealth. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan if you give it time. Patience and consistency are your best allies in this journey. Compounding is why long-term investing wins. It rewards those who are willing to wait and let their investments grow over time. Traders interrupt compounding by jumping in and out. They chase short-term gains and often miss out on the bigger picture. Investors let the snowball roll. They understand the value of staying invested and letting time do the heavy lifting. Your job? Let time and compounding do the heavy lifting. Invest money and time. The longer you stay invested, the more powerful compounding becomes. Time is your most valuable asset. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the exponential growth of your investments. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Even small amounts invested early can grow into significant sums over time. Don't reset your wealth with every trade. Avoid the temptation to constantly tinker with your investments. Let your investments grow undisturbed. Stay patient, stay invested. The rewards of compounding are worth the wait. Compounding is your secret weapon. Use it. Build wealth for life. That's the real magic. Embrace the power of compounding and watch your financial dreams come true. We're drowning in financial noise. Market up, market down, endless headlines. This noise triggers fear and greed, tempting you to abandon your plan. The secret? Focus on the signal, not the noise. The signal is the health of the business you own. Profits, growth, strong leadership, and a competitive edge. Daily price swings are just distractions. Think like a business owner, not a market psychic. Would you sell your coffee shop because of a bad day? No, you'd look at customers, profits, and growth. Apply this mindset to your stocks. Do your homework. Know what you own. Conviction in fundamentals gives you strength when markets panic. The best investors read annual reports, not headlines. In the short run, the market is a voting machine. In the long run, it's a weighing machine. Focus on value, not noise, and win the game. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is your shield. Spread your money across different investments, stocks, bonds, real estate. Each asset class behaves differently, balancing your risk. Even within stocks, own many companies across sectors and countries. Diversify globally to protect against downturns in any one economy. Diversification smooths the ride and protects your capital. It's not about picking one winner, but building a resilient mix. This is your armor against the unpredictable. Stay diversified, stay in the game. That's how you build lasting wealth. Want to own a piece of every major company with one click? Index funds and ETFs make it possible. They track entire markets, giving you instant diversification at a low cost. No need to pick stocks, just own the whole market. Index funds follow benchmarks like the S&P 500. ETFs do the same, but trade like stocks. Their fees are tiny, so more of your money compounds over time. Even Warren Buffett recommends them for most people. Capture the market's full return, skip the guesswork. Buy the haystack, not the needle. For simple, effective wealth building, index funds and ETFs are your best tools. Let them work for you. The investor's biggest enemy? Emotion. Dollar cost averaging takes emotion out of the equation. Invest a fixed amount regularly, no matter what the market's doing. When prices drop, you buy more shares. When prices rise, you buy fewer. This discipline lowers your average cost and turns volatility into your ally. Market crashes become buying opportunities, not reasons to panic. Automate your investments. Pay yourself first, every payday. Consistency beats timing. Ordinary people build wealth through relentless automatic investing. Dollar cost averaging is your path to stress-free success. What if your investments paid you just for owning them? That's the power of dividends. Reinvesting dividends accelerates your compounding. Each payment buys more shares, which earn even more dividends, a snowball effect. Over decades, reinvested dividends can make up nearly half of your total returns. Don't leave free money on the table. Set up automatic dividend reinvestment. Let your money's earnings work for you. This passive cycle builds wealth faster. Dividends are your secret weapon for long-term growth. Turn income into more income. That's how you build a wealth machine. In money, knowledge is profit. Your greatest asset is your financial education. The basics are simple. Commit to lifelong learning. Read books by investing legends. Learn the difference between stocks and bonds, why costs matter, and the power of compounding. The more you know, the less you'll fear market noise and bad advice. See the market as a tool for growth, not a casino. Follow credible sources, not hype. Consider a fiduciary advisor to help you stay on track. Investing in your education pays dividends for life. It protects you from mistakes and empowers smart decisions. Learn the rules, play to win. Your future self will thank you. Start learning today. Strategies and tools mean nothing without discipline. It's the foundation that separates wishful thinking from real achievement. No matter how advanced your investment knowledge or how many resources you have, without the willpower to stick to your plan, progress will stall. Discipline is what keeps you moving forward, even when the journey gets tough or the markets get turbulent. Start by defining your why, whether it's a comfortable retirement, funding your children's education, or achieving financial freedom. When you have a clear purpose, your goals become more meaningful and easier to pursue. Set specific, measurable goals that inspire you to stay on track, even when motivation fades. Write your investment plan in detail. Include your goals, your time horizon, your chosen asset allocation, and how much you'll contribute regularly. Review and update your plan as your life changes. This written roadmap will keep you focused and accountable, especially during uncertain times. When markets panic, stick to your plan. Don't let emotions rule. It's easy to get swept up in fear or excitement, but reacting impulsively can derail years of progress. Remember, staying calm and rational is your greatest advantage. Warren Buffett is the ultimate example of disciplined investing. He buys great businesses, holds them for decades, ignores the daily noise, and lets the power of compounding do the heavy lifting. He's shown that patience and consistency are more valuable than chasing quick wins. His favorite holding period? Forever. This mindset allows investments to grow and multiply, turning small beginnings into substantial wealth over time. Buffett proves that patience, discipline, and a long-term mindset build extraordinary wealth. The results may not be instant, but over years and decades, the rewards are life-changing. The path to wealth is simple, but not always easy. Play the long game, harness the magic of compounding, focus on value, diversify your investments, keep costs low, automate your contributions, and always reinvest your dividends. These habits, repeated over time, create lasting results. Above all, stay disciplined and guided by your goals. Celebrate your progress, adjust your plan as needed, and never lose sight of your purpose. Remember, wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The earlier you start, the more powerful your results. Commit to your plan, pace yourself, and keep moving forward. Your financial freedom is waiting for you at the finish line. Every step you take brings you closer to the life you envision. The journey begins with you. Take action today, stay the course, and build your future with confidence. You've got this. Your best financial life is within reach.